Hello friends. So today we can discuss this question on leetcode 171 weekly, leetcode weekly 171. Question number 1317. Convert integer to the sum of two non-zero integers. Question statement states that you are given an integer n and you have to return two integers a and b such that the two a and b are the non-zero integers. It means it doesn't contain any zeros. It means A and B are the numbers which are formed from n should not contain any zero, and the sum of A plus B equal to n, and it is also guaranteed that at least one valid solution is like there exists a valid solution. So as you can see in this example, 2 can be broken into 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 and 1, and the solution is that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and both are non-zero number. Same for this case. If we subtract 1, it will become 10 and 1. And 10 has 0 in it. That's why I subtract 2 and it becomes 2 and 9. In this, we can subtract 1. In this also we can subtract 1. So, like if we do a brute force method, it's a very simple question. What I have done in this code is I have taken both integers. The first is 1 and the second is n minus 1. I just subtracted 1 because we want the sum to be equal to n. If we add a and b, it's equal to n. Then what I'll do is I'll make a while loop and I've made a function not has zero. So I'll check is a not has zero and also b not has zero. If this statement true, we'll break out of this while loop. Or else this while loop is always true, and whenever like this condition is not true, I'll increment a by 1 so that it become 2, and now b is decreased by 1 so that the sum always remain equal to n. And we iterate over this loop until a solution is found. Not has zero function is also simple. We'll just iterate over the number such that it's not equal to 0, and we'll check every digit of that number, and if it has 0, then we return false because my function name is not has 0, and it not has 0 false because that number has 0, and if it not has 0, will return 2 because any digit in that number is not has 0, and if both are true, then only we break out of the loop, and we return the list of a and b, which are the two numbers which whose sum equal to n, and both has non-zero integers in it. I hope you understand the question. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next question.